Ooh, that sun is bright. And on the back of this 2005 D6N, we have a mess because we removed the hydraulic control valve, and it's sitting on that table right here. You can see all the gears in there. Yeah, I do not want to drop my camera in this. It's full of oil. Okay, right now I'm inside of a Commando 61 PX. What I'm gonna do right now is cut that wire that's on this key and remove any stickers from other companies that is not necessary in this machine. Remove this thing. Any stickers, any trash. Behind here looks pretty clean. Now I'm gonna check the sides of it for any stickers. Power equipment sticker, but I'm gonna leave that on there. Gotta check the fluids, all oils. Here's the engine oil. I'll check that. Max is right here. This is kind of low. Max is here. Oil's here. Check. Think it's dusty. Oh, thank you. So I went and got some oil. Some crazy thing about this dozer is that the radiator is at the back of the machine. Got a funnel for the oil. Just a little bit more. We are good. Got the filter blown out. Got the coolant tester. Gonna test the coolant. Got 'em. Well, you can see it's -50. Try to lift up the sticker a little bit, but sometimes you still can't get it. Oh, got it. Sticker. Sometimes you really want to be careful with hydraulic stuff, especially when you're taking the cap off the tank, because it can have pressure. And if you just take it out real quick, you can get oil all over you and everything. To see if it's good, you have to see it here. Yeah, there's a little line or a little circle. You gotta see when it's full right there. Fill her up. We are good. close up this door and do the service paper. That's how many quarts we put in there. Okay, so this dozer is completely done. Marked on everything. Everything's good. It's ready to go leave the shop. I don't know if y'all remember me talking about the John Deere 350D with the blown head gaskets. Well, that Cat D7, that one's worse. Usually when the heads are cracked, you can barely see them. These ones were pretty big, like 2 inches long. I think there were like 2 of them. Those cracks were pretty bad. They had low water levels, so we put water in there. We were letting it run, you know, letting it go through the system, and then we were going to check it again. But then we saw white smoke and steam coming out the machine. When we went and go check the radiator for coolant levels, it didn't have any. Coolant was leaking everywhere. Then when we took apart the engine, there was cracks all over the head, and they were charging like $4,000 to get it remanufactured, no warranty, or $6,000 for a brand new head. But this dozer is already sold. A guy's gonna come pick it up. He's gonna put a rebuilt engine in it, and hopefully it works out for him. And today, Mac Tools came here. I've never seen them. Today is actually the first time I see them and their tools. My dad says they've been out for a while. I just never seen them. I was able to go inside their truck today. There's some pretty good stuff. Prices kind of scare me though. They do sell some pretty cool stuff. Like I like this jacket. It's just 80 bucks. And I like that hat. And I'm telling you, if I was like 7 years old, I would have got that. They had that in there. I want them to come here more often. They even have an air impact that has LED lights. Air impacts. That is one of the first time I see an air impact with LED lights on it. And I told the guy that was my first time, and he said it was a Mac Tools exclusive. They got some pretty cool looking designs. Who knows? I might save up to get me one of them 1/2-inch impacts they got with LED lights on it. For now, I have to fully service this Komatsu. Ooh, yeah, we might need to get this piece, because that's probably not that safe. Okay, that's new. Check the oil first. First thing I do, I always check where the oil's supposed to be at. Oh, yeah, that's real hot. High, right there. It's good. It smells kind of burnt, but it's good. The coolant, hope it doesn't blow up on me. That thing will be hot. Actually, I'm gonna put a glove over my hand. Oh man. Yeah, that came out a little bit. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, that has pressure. Oh yeah, and that's hot too. Yeah. See that coolant come out? I'm gonna let that sit for a bit. I don't feel like taking it off just yet. I'm gonna go check the air filter, which I believe is right under me. Okay, here is the air filter. I'm trying to see what like a hydraulic oil is at. Probably somewhere else. Oh, all might be so blind that I don't even see it. Take these off. Oh, I have to use the air hose for that one. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a whole lot. Filter done. Now let's go see if the coolant cooled down a little bit. See what happens. I'm gonna wait. Okay, this Komatsu was done. I checked the coolant. It was at -40. I forgot to record that, but this is pretty much it, guys. See you on the next one.